Hello everyone, this is Somyani Chatterjee, your life coach and career transition coach. Today I've come up with hack number 5. I'll share two types of stories with two morals, okay? The first set of stories being Nokia rejected Android, Yahoo rejected Google, Kodak refused digital cameras. Result is they became outdated because they couldn't embrace change. They refused to change. Okay. On the other hand, Facebook took over WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. Grab took over Uber in Southeast Asia. Result being, become so powerful. When you reach the top, your competition becomes your ally, and in the process, you eliminate all the competition. So keep innovating, keep embracing change, take chances. That's hack number 5.